BSP Software, along with our development team, is excited to introduce a brand new MetaManager module within the Deploy bundle, Compare Reports. The Compare Reports module allows you, within two separate Cognos environments, to compare full report specification as well as report outputs. This is especially helpful when upgrading your Cognos environment between the latest releases of Cognos Analytics, or when performing general report maintenance in a dev or QA environment prior to moving that object into production. Once you've selected a source and target environment, you can simply drag over a single report or folder full of reports to run the comparison. In this case, I'm going to grab the sample reports folder from both of my test environments. The report comparison will compare all of the reports within that folder and will run 4 outputs for each of those reports: XML, HTML, PDF, and CSV. With the comparison now complete, I can review the results. First, I'm viewing the properties of the actual report. And as I select one of the outputs, now I'm comparing the properties that exist on that specific output. Additionally, I can view visual properties and display the object and view the outputs side by side. The Compare Reports module is available now for all new and current MetaManager customers. Just ask your sales representative and we can enable this feature for you. Visit bspsoftware.com for more information.